That's better. There we go. Now I can hear myself. Turn this up just a touch. There we go. Okay, cool. Uh-oh. Hmm. Strange. Okay. Well, today we're doing something a little different. Um, I'm not going to be streaming any work today. I'm going to be instead working on the Tidy Tuesday challenge. Um, the Tidy Tuesday challenge is um, it's a weekly challenge. Comes out every Tuesday. Um, and sorry. Hence the name. Okay, I'll stop. Um, Comes out every Tuesday, but there's a data set that drops, and you have the day to clean up the data, work with the data however you want, and eventually make a graph. The end result is to make a graph and to post it onto Twitter. That's the whole challenge, along with your code and everything else out on Twitter. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So, let's see. Let's pull that over. Let's get into this. So, yes, Tuesday. Oh, I don't want. I want this guy. Yeah. Tide Tuesday is a weekly social data project. All are welcome to participate. Please remember to share code. Use to generate results. Tide Tuesday is organized by data science learning community. Join our Slack for free online help with R, Python, and other data related topics, or to participate in a data related book club. Interesting. Um, our overarching goal for Tidy Tuesday is to make it easier to learn to work with data by providing real world data sets. You'd be amazed how in like boot camps, or if you study data science in school, how clean oftentimes the data that you're working with is. And so, yeah, our goal for 2023-2024 is to increase the usage of Tidy Tuesday within classrooms. That's a good goal. We would like to be used in at least 10 courses by September 2024. If you're using Tidy Tuesday to teach data-related skills, please let us know. Yeah, data is posted to social media every Monday morning. Follow the instructions in the new post for how to download the data. Exploring the data. This is super critical. Watch out for interesting relationships. We would like to emphasize that you should not draw conclusions based about causation in the data. There are various moderating variables that all affect data, many of which might not have been captured by these data sets. As such, our suggestion is to use the data provided to practice your data tidying and plotting techniques, and to consider yourself what nuances might underlie these relationships. Create a visualization. You know what? Maybe I'll pop this guy open. Create a visualization, a model, a Shiny app, or some other piece of data science related output using R or another programming language. So you don't. I'll be doing R today because I'm most comfortable with R. Next week I'll probably do it in Python, but and then whoa, share. Share your output and the code used to generate it on social media with the Tidy Tuesday hashtag. You can also curate a data set for a future Tidy Tuesday. Okay, so that's just a little rundown on how Tidy Tuesday works. I might do it next week, depending on how many people I get watching, or new people or whatever. We'll have to see. Let's see. Yeah, you can kind of see it's actually really interesting. So Canadian NHL player birth dates, U.S. polling places. Let's see. X-Men Mutant Moneyball. That's cool. There's March Madness week. Let's see. Solar eclipses. Shiny packages. Rolling Stone album rankings. Cheese from cheese.com. Awesome. Let's see. Oh, David Robinson. That's awesome. American Idol. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. International Mathematical Olympiad. Oh, that's cool. Shakespeare Dialogue. That's really cool, actually. Cool. Looks like this week is chess game dataset. Instead. Okay, cool. Yeah, we're gonna look at this one. Okay, so right off the bat, there's a lot of important information that we need whenever we get a new data set. This chess data set comes. The chess data set this week comes from leechess.org. A set of over 20,000 games collected from a selection of users on the Lichess. Use the data to explore what the common opening moves are and by rank. Okay, interesting question. How many turns does a game last based on player ranking? Okay, that's also an interesting question. What patterns would explain the outcome? Okay, interesting. For curating the data set. Okay. Thank you to Havisha Hurana. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Probably I'm not. Let's see. I usually like to read the data from whatever CSV file. That's how I usually like to do it. But either of these options are acceptable. They're pretty good. Explore the data. Let's see. Okay, so right off the bat, the data dictionary is super important, because this will tell you what each and every column means, so that way you can so that way you know what each column represents, and in turn what each row represents. So game ID is probably some like username or some other something like that, or maybe it could be just a number. Rated game, start time, end time, turns. Okay. Victory status, game status. winner. I wonder what the difference between victory status and winner are. Okay, so let's write down these questions. What are the common opening moves by rank? 2. How many turns does a game last? Based 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 on player ranking. What move patterns explain the game outcome? Okay. Difference between status and winner. Okay, time increment. White ID, so the player that goes first, white player rating, and black ID, player that goes second, and black rating. So I wonder if rating differs between if you go first or second. Probably. Moves, all moves in a standard chess notation. Oh, okay, so so this is gonna be pretty big then. 20,000 games. Oh wow, 20,000 games. That's a ton. Okay. So moves, all moves in standard chess notation. Opening eco. Standardized codes for any given opening list here. Okay. That's going to be good to know. Not super familiar with chess, but opening name and opening number of moves in the opening phase. Chess is how long is the opening phase? Let's see. Oh, this is the game. Okay, never mind. So the game ID is just the ID for the particular game that was played. Okay. Yeah. So white. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So our player IDs are going to be the white and the black ID. Okay. Okay. Um. Oh, explore. Okay. Maybe I'll reference this. Okay. Okay, so let's grab this guy. Let's see. This is week 40. Let's see. Nope, I want to go here. Ah, didn't mean to do that. Okay. 2024. Week 40. Okay, so library. Um, um, and chess data. $20,000 rows? Wait, I thought they said it was 20,000 games. 20,000 games collected. So then is the... Hold on. All moves in chess. Chess notation? Or is it just going to be a long string? Oh, okay. Algebraic notation. Standard method for recording and describing the moves moves in a game of chess. It is based on a system of coordinates to uniquely identify each square on the board. Oh, okay. Oh. This might be good, actually. King, queen, rook, bishop, knight, pawn. Convention P is usually omitted from notation. Oh, okay. Didn't realize that. Knight c3. So wait, so... Knight to c3. So knight c3, pawn f5, that pawn, okay. Pawn e4, okay. F... Oh, that's probably like a take. Yeah. Takes e4. Knight takes e4. Okay. Knight to f6. Knight takes f6. Pawn takes f6. Queen takes... Oh, and that's it. Yeah. Piece is captured. We include the X symbol for captures before that is an exit square. Okay. E4. So I guess are you saying from F to E4 because it's a pawn. And you, let's see. Although by convention, P is usually omitted from notation. Okay. For example, in this game, White's first move is Knight C. Knight squares it. Black responds. Remember, P is omitted. White plays E4. Captures the pawn. F captures E4. Okay. The file F replaces the name of the pawn since P is omitted. White recaptures. The rest of the game is written. Plus is the symbol for check, and pound or hashtag is a sign for checkmate. Oh, that's okay. This is actually going to be really good to know. Checkmate, good move, poor move. More exclamation points and question marks can be added for emphasis. Ah, okay. Regular notation is biggest. Add an extra letter or number to specify the origin. Here, rad1, rook from the file A to square D1 solves the problem. When a pawn makes a capture, always include the originating file, as in F takes E4 and G takes F6 above. Okay, I'm gonna keep this open because I am not familiar with chess notation at all, so this is gonna be good to keep. Okay, let's pop this open. Oh man. Okay, so that's gonna be in times. Okay. 13 turns. Out of time is white. Oh, wait. Oh, so victory status is how the victory... Ah, crap. Oh, sure, that works. So they ran out of... So black ran out of time because white won? Skinner UA. Okay, so... Victory status and winner. So victory status is how is a what's the word? Is a category for how the game was won. Out of time, resign, mate, draw, others. And while winner is the color who won. Either black or white. Okay, so I think I'm gonna, yeah. Let's start time and end time are numbers. Need to convert to and to date time. To do add a time elapsed column. Okay, time increment. Didn't want to do that. Okay, time increment. I guess I don't really know what that means. Okay, don't know what time increment means. Does increment mean? I have no idea. Why ID? Okay. I think Daniel likes chess. Haha. Not a great joke. Okay. Black rating, white rating. opening eco, opening name, opening PLY, number of moves in the opening phase. Oh, yeah, okay. Holy cow. Sicilian defense mongoose variation? Holy cow. What the heck? Wow, seemed to be a fast game. Okay, so Philidor defense. Nimzowitsch defense, Kennedy variation, Slav defense, exchange variation. Huh. Skinner UA, Skinner 2009. Okay, count the number of moves. Most common opening name. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Outflank. Holy smokes. Okay. Oh, wait a second. Okay. So let's look for D10 in this eco code. So let's see. A, B, C, B, C, D10. Queen's Gambit declined. Slav defense. Chest opening for black that starts with the moves D4, 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 D5, C4, C6. Shebanenko Slav. Okay. Oh, Magnus Carlsen. Oh, this means King Castle. I don't know. I'm semi familiar with the chess terminology. So wait, so that one there was no check, but he did take on G2. Castled. Check. Okay, so the plus means check. Okay. Okay, interesting. So that's a Slav defense. Let's see. I guess I didn't need to look at a guide, but let's see. So it looks like Slav defense, exchange variation. That's not really what's written here. Let's see. Gambit. Oh, exchange variation. Aha! Here we go. Exchange variation. Okay, so this is the opener in that first game, and it looks like that data lines up. Perfect. Okay, so opening eco, this is just an ID for whatever the opening name is going to be. Did not mean to do that for the 15th time. Did not mean to pop that open. That's okay. Oh, it has a turns number. Okay, never mind. I don't need to do that. Okay, I don't need to do that one. Okay, so at least in this brief example, Daniel likes chess is a slightly better on black than he is on white. Interesting. looks like he took a huge loss. Might be interesting actually to follow the like to follow particular players to see what their like how their rating kind of fluctuates up and down. That might be kind of interesting. Their progression. Player. Okay, this is kind of a cool data set. Okay. Multi-line comment. Oh, just data. To convert the let's see. Maybe Oh. Oh, whoops. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. Let's do chest basics. Trip protection, check in 1, combat, auto check, mate in 1. Shoot. Okay, let's... Oh... Chess, what is the time ink? Many online games, but I don't understand how it works. Every move we can gain time. But what is it dependent on? How much can someone please explain to me? Okay. Fisher's delay or time increment, invented by Bobby Fischer. When it becomes a player's turn to move, the delay or increment is added to the player's remaining time. For example, if the delay is 5 seconds, then a player has 10 minutes remaining on his clock when the clock is activated. He now has 10 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Oh! And in the usage of chess servers, on chess servers like Internet Chess Club, and time control is usually expressed with a formula time plus increment. Ah, okay. Where time is a fixed amount of time in minutes assigned at move 0 for the entire game, and increment in seconds is the amount added after each move. When the increment is 0, the time control turns into a sudden death. So a 5 plus 0 game is a game with a sudden death at 5 minutes. When the increment is bigger than 0, the time control is a Fisher delay. Ergo 2 plus 12 is a game with a Fisher delay with 12 minutes plus 12 seconds each move. A game can even have a time set to 0. The clock is set to 0 and started after the first move, with the increment only on both sides. In each player is granted only the increment. A 0 plus 10 is a game where the first move, each player has 10 seconds to move. Oh, okay. Time increment gets added to your current time to compensate for probable delay. For humans is reaction time, and for servers may compensate for latency. If you're fast enough to play your move before the increment ends, the extra time gets added to your current time, thus augmenting your remaining time. Oh, Okay. Excuse me. This is also part of data analysis or data science stuff. Learning about the domain in which you're analyzing data is also super helpful. So if you're already familiar with chess, you would have picked up on this right away and known exactly what all this stuff meant. Let me pull this down just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Okay, so in these, you have a total of 2 minutes and 1 second to move. Blitz, it looks like you have a total of 3 minutes with 0 seconds to move. I guess the theory goes, if you move... Well, yeah. Okay. Usually in the form of time plus increment. See here. Time is the total play time for each side, and the increment is the amount of time in which to play. Sample in a 7 plus, or let's do 5 plus 4, 5 plus 5, sure. Game. Each side gets 5 minutes to play. And gets 5 seconds back after each turn. Okay, so there's probably some interesting kind of data analysis interplay there. Okay. Okay. The start. Does it start time? Start time. And end time. A date time. let's see. Time elapsed column. Explain the game outcome. Okay. So I'll be right back. I have most everything set up. I need to go get a bit more water and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Let's go ahead and stand up for 15 or so minutes. Okay. And right there. Oh, that's awkward. Right there. There we go. Whoops, did not call that right. Okay, so, um, actually, let's, I might reference this. Okay. Some reading on chess is needed. Is an article about an article about chess notation. Here's an article about what did it call this? Opening names and codes. Opening names and codes. Names, codes, and their explanation. Let's see. Go back. Here is, let me zoom in just a little bit. There we go. Here's an article about oh shoot. Why did I close that? About how to read time increments. Yeah. Chess. Chess. Actually, I should probably put it in the read statement. Oh, also, victory status needs to be a category. Winner also needs to be a category. Maybe I could just filter on opening eco. Yeah, okay. Victory status winner time increment? Yeah. Sorry, victory status. Victory status winner time increment. All need to be. Oh, I forget the word for R. What you need. Category columns. Okay, let's look at play for cats. Lubra date. Okay, Lubra date's in Tidyverse. Okay, so read CSV. Whoops. Column names, column types. Let's see. Column names, column types. Where each character represents one column. Column specification will print a message showing a reader guesses what reader guesses they were. To remove the message. Okay, so so the first one needs to be, let's see, string, let's see, or character, then logical, character, logical, date time, and date time, next, number, turns, let's see, turns is a double, okay, maybe let's do an integer. Yeah, let's do an integer. Factor. That's the word I was looking for. Okay, so maybe I could just do factor. Factor. So victory status is a factor, winner's a factor, time increment is also a factor. So one more. So then character, maybe double. Let's do integer. Character, integer, character, integer. C I C I. Okay. Character. So CCC and then CC C I. Yep. Okay. Equals. Holy cow. Whoops, sorry about that. Show call types equals true. Okay, well. Ouch. Alright, let's sit back down. Hmm. Call types. Okay, I guess it was just that easy. Okay. Okay, let's view this. Oh, fun. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, great. Factor with 4 levels. Okay, good. Factor with 3 levels. Oh, draw. That's right. Factor with 1 level. Interesting. I don't know how I feel about that. Maybe opening name. So second to last. Should also be a factor. Date? That's probably not going to do much either, huh? Yeah, it's still going to be an A. Crap. Hmm. Boolean, that's fine. Numeric range. Well, no, well, that still doesn't make sense to me, but we'll take a look at that. Okay, so we just double. What if I force them into characters? I didn't even read. Ha. All right. Okay, let's go to liquidate cheat sheet. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find a function. I thought there was a function that you could do that changed, because I think those are I thought those were seconds, but I thought there was a function that changed functions. Or sorry, I thought there was a function that converted like a bunch like a number into div times. Convert a period to the standard number of seconds implied by the period, also seconds to period. Maybe date seconds to seconds to Approximately converts a period to seconds, assuming there are that many days. Calendar year, and that many days in a month. Create a period that has maximum number of non-zero elements. Days, hours, minutes, seconds. Its computation is exact because it doesn't involve years or months. Hey, what's up, Tanner? Thanks for dropping in. Appreciate it. Okay, I guess we're just gonna have to show minutes then. Let's see here. Or, let's see. Date, seconds to date. Converting seconds to a date. Using liberdate functions. Okay. Series of timestamps in seconds since epoch. Want to convert this into year, month, day, hour format in base R. I can do something like this. Okay, so let's make those numbers now. See what happens. Okay, so making the start time and end time a date. And I try to CSV to change date. Kept getting I kept getting NA values. Mutate. crap, if I can spell, start time equals, what was it, as daytime, as daytime, start time, and end time equals as daytime, end time. Whoa. What year is that? um Oh man. Okay. As daytime. A date object or something which can be coerced by as date, such as an object. Note that in this instance, x is assumed to reflect the number of days since origin at UTC. Format argument. Numeric or character objects. Okay, so we could do character too. Maybe, yeah, let's make these characters. I just want to see what happens. Okay. Alright, that didn't work. Again, I have no idea what year that is. Hold on. Oh, these are kind of useless. Oh, that sucks. Dang, that sucks. These are kind of useless. Because they only tell you... Yeah, it probably only tells you, like, the actual date. Won't give you date and time. Shoot, that sucks. Man, that really sucks. Oh, man. Dang it. Well, there goes that idea. Yeah. Let's, um... I'm actually really curious now. CSV. Oh, that sucks. Ah, okay. That changes a lot now. Crap, crap, crap. Okay. Or it'd be nice to know what it was based on. Or yeah, maybe I can just, okay. Um, let's see. Or maybe it's just as date. Ah. I need a number. Yes, number. No, now it's not working. No, 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 no. As date. Okay, so it is a real. So it only works as daytime. It's apparently the year 49,000. So these chess games are taking place in the future, far-flung future. Awesome. So what I would expect is match duration equals end time minus start. Whoa, start time. Ah. Even if I comment these out. Ah, whoops. Yeah, it's just 0. Ah, crap. Ah, okay, fine. Alright, scrap that idea. That sucks. Can't add a duration column due to the start time and end time are the same number. Okay, well, that really sucks. Okay, so I guess there's really nothing else I need to do here. Um, okay. That is so embarrassing. Um, okay, I guess let's try to answer some questions. Um, the common opening moves by rank. Okay, so let's instead. Whoa. Um. Um. Getting the opening move from the list of moves. Okay, so opening move. Okay, so I'm gonna need some. I need Stringer, my old friend, Stringer. Sorry, Lubricate. Stringer, cheat sheet. Okay. Cheat sheet. So I just need, okay, let's talk this out. All I need are honestly, I don't really need start time and end time if they're the same number. That's freaking sucks. Um, start time. All right, those columns are gone. Okay, so let's talk this out. So moves, I only want before the everything before the first space, because the first one, let's see, looks like it's usually a pawn. Aha, here's one with a knight. So I want everything before that first space. Because if I just do, I want the first 3 characters, then, or I want the first 2 characters, then I'll get that. But then here in this example, I'll just get those first 2. So I want everything before the first space. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna need, where's the, string title, string upper, string lower, string replace. I don't want to replace, I'm trying to detect. Subset, I guess. Pattern. Return the first pattern. Let's see. Okay. Looking for the first move in the for white in the looking for the first move for white in the move string. What was it? String. I don't want to play string match, string view. Yeah. So chess. It's gonna be moves. The pattern is going to be, well, let's just see if this is what I want. Oh, okay. Okay, I thought it was called moves. It is called moves. Okay, so now I want preceded by preceded by blank or space. A followed by a C, or an A preceded by an A preceded by a B. No, I want followed by. I want preceded. I want to followed by. Yeah. Anything but one of range of or followed by C. That followed by cuts. Let's just see what that gives us. Stringer, stringer view. Surrounded by brackets and unusual. Possible matches in unusual white space are colored blue and NAs are red. Oh, that's what I want to do. Dang. Oh. Adam. Copy. Between 2 and 3. the start of the string. Okay, there we go. That is, let's turn that off. Because I want to see if I can grab that knight first move. Let's see if it will load. Fingers crossed. Tanner, hope you're still there. A follow would be most appreciated. Fingers crossed. Here we go. D4. Okay. Okay, so far it seems to be working. Now let's try. So, subset? No. No, what's the... Extract substrings from a character vector. These strings that contain a pattern match. String subset. String. Turn the first pattern match found in each string as a vector. String subset. Subset. Moves. Okay, good. And the pattern is this monstrosity. That's probably not even that bad. Shoot. Well, that's a weird error. Well, I feel like I've kind of been spinning my wheels. Okay. So there are two different things going on here. Grouping and NA values. Let's make up an example that's both grouped and contains NA values. Not using. Okay. Try this NA exclude. I guess I'm just really confused. I don't think there are any NA values. Oh, one move. Jeez. Okay, I don't. I guess I don't really understand what I'm doing wrong. all must be size, not 0. Five or one, not zeros. Actually, input vector is not empty in the above example. If the input vector is empty, you can try using okay. Alright, well, this is incredibly frustrating. I wonder if there's just like... Maybe I just need the first... Yeah, the first 2 or 3 beginning of a string. Maybe I just need to do this. Yeah, because I wonder if some of them don't have a space. Oh, yeah. I wonder if some of them... Yeah. Okay, that makes sense now. Okay, so what was happening is... dang it. Oh, shoot. But yeah, I think the problem is, like... One turn... Yeah, the problem is these guys right here, the opening move. If there's no space... If there's no space, then there's nothing, then the preceding, I'm just not going to pick up on that. And so that's why I'm losing all these. And so on these guys where there is a space and then the next move, so it looks like all these guys forfeited right when it looks like all these guys, most of these guys white won. It's like black. Okay. Weird. Okay, so I don't want to include everything. That is wrong. Gosh, I'm trying to think of how to isolate that. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Shoot. Oh, great. Alright, well. It's late and starting to fade fast. Oh. Dang. I was really hoping to get a lot further than this, but... you know, that's how it goes sometimes. I guess I'll be working on this tomorrow. Um... Um... Dang, yeah, I really wish I would have gotten a lot further on this, but you know, that's okay, I guess. But yeah, I'll do some more research. I'll try and figure out what was going on, and it seems like I need to update my regular expression to just somehow look at the beginning, or look at the only thing that's there, I suppose. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna call it there for today. Thank you everybody for joining. If you made it this far, Tanner, I hope you're still watching. If you're still here, I would very much appreciate a follow on Twitch, or a sub and a like on YouTube, wherever you're at. But yeah, I appreciate you making it this far, and I will talk to you guys. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a great day or evening or whatever your time is. Have a great one.